Welcome everybody to Option Pit's trade of the week on Friday, June 12th. Just as a reminder, the materials presented here from Option Pit are for your informational educational purposes only. Option Pit nor its employees do not offer investment, tax, or legal advice of any kind. The analysis displayed and the various tools do not consult investment, legal, tax advice and should not be interpreted as such. Okay. Anybody trading options, you trade at the user's own risk. Consult your financial advisor if you have questions. All right, now today what do we got? Well, we've got Twitter will be our idea, but just two thoughts. Market selling off. The VIX cash I think is performing what I would say about pace. What isn't really moving much are the futures. You have the July future only up 24 cents. Again, absorbing most of the move of VIX. The one that is moving up a little more is that June future. And why? Well, the simple answer is the June future becomes the VIX cash on Wednesday. So any move between here and Wednesday, they're going to be very tight. But I guess the real simple thing is the July future is really not catching a big bid. And, to me, this looks like the market's just kind of poo-pooing the sell-off. I mean, we had a pretty aggressive rally the last couple of days. And at this point, it's giving some of it back because there's no deal. Again, the rally was a surprise on no deal, but there's how we have it. I think the more interesting news here is in Twitter. The CEO is leaving. I know that has been rumored for a while. Twitter is actually trading, and you could sell it at $40 in the after hours without too much trouble last night, at least $39. And it's given some of that back today, given some of that rally back. So I think the simplest type trade in Twitter is I think ultimately those early buyers are right. And I'm just looking for something simple, relatively simple and bullish. The volatility is so low in here. I think the easiest thing to do is just buy, a near the money, slightly in the money call. Something as easy as, buying a few of the July 35.5 calls. Right? Can probably pay $1.50 for them. Give yourself plenty of time here and maybe catch a little halo effect once this grease deal gets done. So any call I would buy would be sort of after that late June grease deal, and you're just looking for Twitter to start making a move back after the exit of the CEO. The street liked it last night, and I think they're going to end up liking it again. And the vol's certainly cheap enough that buying calls make sense in here, especially that a stock was just trading like $37.5 this morning. So buying just near the money Twitter calls, I think, make some decent sense. You're up about 50% out of them. I would mark them to close. All right. And with that, anything else? If you are new to Option Pit, send me a note, andrew@optionpit.com, to ask about our services. The big event coming up is our Professional Trader Summit. Our boot camp is going on right now. But for people that generally are gold class and above, it is a chance to meet other traders, meet other traders from Option Pit, meet Mark and myself, and live the Chicago lifestyle for a few days. Alrighty, and with that, our trade of the week will be buying call buys in Twitter, trying to look for that bounce that we had earlier